This is my orrery, or model solar system, built over a number of days from a kit. A very laborious and precise process, with small parts having to be assembled layer by layer in a particular sequence. Finally finished it and got it working, and here it is running. Only the Earth's moon rotates around the Earth. The other planets' moons do not rotate. That would be too complicated mechanically